Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this is going to be a different video today, real quick, but I saw this coming, and I didn't know if I'd do it, and I decided I would because just the number of subscribers that has been growing. But alright, we just passed 50,000 total views on the channel. I know that's probably not a lot comparison in the YouTube universe, but I guess it's a big deal to me. I always think it's interesting between these two studios. There's a beta and a classic, that this is more live and this is the total, but there's a little bit of a discrepancy. But as of right now, pretty live accurate. 50,304 total views and 707 total subscribers. So I don't know. I just think this is amazing that it's been a long haul, but still that there are that many people who want to watch my videos out of all the other videos, and I just want to say thank you. It's very humbling. I really truly enjoy this subject matter. I enjoy making the videos, and I absolutely love all the wonderful feedback. So I just wanted to take a second today to tell you all thank you very, very much. It means a lot to me for you guys to take your time, spend your time watching my videos, and then taking the time to write and give me feedback. And I really enjoy this, and I just want to say thank you. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll just keep plugging along and see where this goes. Bye, guys.